Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 330. Add custom component in Design Studio. Custom components allow developers to extend Power Pages functionality by creating chunks of code that can then be leveraged by Power Pages makers in the Design Studio. Since we last looked at this functionality in tip 231, Microsoft has made it even easier for the makers to include custom components on their site. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. Back in tip 231, I talked about how you can create web templates with parameters that could be set via the Power Pages Design Studio. At that time, while the parameters themselves were editable in the Design Studio, to actually add the component to the page, you needed to craft the liquid code yourself and add it to the source of the page. For many no-code makers, this could be intimidating. The good news is, this is no longer required. When adding a component using the Design Studio, along with all the out-of-the-box components, such as text, images, forms, and lists, there's now a section called Custom Components. Any web template with the manifest section I described in tip 231 should show up in this area. This should make it easier for developers and makers to work together to build great Power Pages sites. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 330 on Add Custom Component in Design Studio useful.